Yo, 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 it's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor Alonzo Hall, and I've returned today with another ADH Wealth solution. Today, we'll begin to discuss fulfilling all of your financial needs. To contribute to channel growth, the links are in the description. To schedule an appointment of your own, or to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with no medical exam and an instant decision, my information is in the description. Lastly, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. And now, here's our next feature. Yo, 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 it's your boy, the insurance junkie, your fiduciary fella, the all-star advisor, Alonzo Hall, and I've come today to whap and tap on your head with some more valuable information. So I haven't done this in a while, but as you know, as an obsessive person in my craft, I belong to a lot of groups about insurance and financial services and finances, etc., etc. And so I came across this thread today with almost 170 comments from other licensed agents who are talking about the thoughts on infinite banking with indexed universal life insurance. I'm going to go through just very few comments. One of the major comments that I want to look at is, ironically enough, one of my mentors, who also, ironically enough, happens to be the main moderator and creator of this particular group, Professional Life Insurance Agent Discussions. And what he wrote here about infinite banking. For example, let's look at what Tien Pham says first. A lot of people say only whole life can be used to IBC. The question is, when you take the loan out of your whole life, does it still have the guarantee, and what are the guarantees? Now let's just look at Dave Kinder's answer really quick, because I think it's very poignant, and it makes a lot of sense here. Look at a fully insured pension plan. If anyone who wants to know the secret sauce, message me. Somebody else did the link, the video on it. James Kyle Simmons says, IUL, if structured correctly and solved for a specific need, can be used. Whole life with the guarantees and proper solve is the safer bet, especially with rock bottom interest rates, even after the feds raise them 2 to 3% in the next 18 months. Now, let's take a look at David Kinder's answer, because in my opinion, it makes the most sense. And that's because of some of the carriers I represent. This is why I personally like index universal life for infinite banking versus whole life for infinite banking. But I realized after having a conversation, and shout out to Mr. Real Estate, with him on a friend's panel, a lot of agents are trained toward whole life, and it really depends on the products that your carrier carries. So let's take a look at the answer here. Guarantees are weakened by the presence of loan interest. If loan interest is paid out of pocket, then the guarantees are still strong, other than the fact that the death benefit will repay the loan balance upon the death of the insured. The reason why people say it can only be done with whole life, participating or dividend paying whole life specifically, is because of the story. The story is, you're a shareholder in the insurance company as a participating policyholder. Therefore, you're entitled to a portion of the profitability in the insurance company, and loan interest contributes to the profitability of the company. That story of ownership doesn't hold true for most IUL policies. There are mutual companies that offer IULs. Penn Mutual and Emeritus come to mind. That's why I answered to him, that's why I like it, because I write a ton of Emeritus. He says, sure, the story sells. Another question, what's the flexibility of premium during the 10 years if whole life is designed for a 10 pay? Well, that's easy. I do 10 pays with my clients all the time. If the first 2 years of premium are paid, the rest can be done via APL, automatic premium loan, until you're ready to pay the rest. Dave Kinder, thanks, I got the loan part. How about the premium part? The agent designed a 10-year pay whole life. Can the client stop paying premiums, say, year 6 and continue to pay the premium again in year 7? If yes, what's the impact on the guarantee? He told the gentleman, read it again. Pay the first 2 years of premium, and the rest of it can be paid via APL. So yes, you can stop paying in year 6 and then pay again in year 7. The guarantees of keeping the policy in force are always impacted by loan interest accruing against the policy. This isn't a two-way policy, however. It will demonstrate that it has far more flexibility than a normally understood. As far as the death benefit, DB equals cash value plus net amount at risk minus any outstanding loans. The death benefit will always be affected by outstanding loan balance. If you want to learn a lot more on this, be sure to join the Breakaway League's boot camp on February 9th. We cover a lot of this. This is also why I am an all-star advisor, because I join things like the Breakaway League, where elite $1 Million Round Table agents take their time to educate not as elite $1 Million Round Table cloth agents such as myself. The only reason I'm not yet elite is because I haven't gotten enough clients. Anyway, that's going to be it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth, to purchase life insurance directly up to $1 million with an instant decision and no medical exam, or to schedule a one-on-one appointment with a licensed financial professional, my links are in the description. With that being said, wipe ass, work in progress every day, and see success. Salute, salute, salute.
Hey folks, this last video was sponsored by my company, where we help people like you to reach their financial goals. We do this through a simple conversation where we help to identify and then protect your lifestyle, and then we implement a plan. The process starts at about an hour. So, if you want more information, or you want to schedule a consult, contact me via the information in the description box, and let's talk and see if we're actually a great fit for each other. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Thank you, and enjoy life.